Unit 2 Split Vowel Digraphs Word List. Practice phonic sounds with words and pictures. Can you say these sounds, please? A, E, I, O, U. Let's just warm up water split vowel digraphs. Look at this example. With the short R, we have the word mud. But when we add an E sound at the end, the word changes into made. Thus, with the E sound added to the word mud, a word with new meaning and pronunciation is formed. Mud. Made. Look at the differences. Madman. He made a drawing. The E sound creates a long vowel sound in the middle of a word. That's why we call a magic A sound, if you remember in the last episode, episode 9. Therefore, it means that the vowel sound A in the word mud becomes longer and softer. A. So we don't split, even if split it when we pronounce, we don't split the A and the E. It is pronounced together, so it's like made, not muddy. Now let us start with the first word list. A word list. I'm going to give you 4 examples. Listen and repeat. L, A, K. Leg, leg. H, A, T. Hat, hat. L, A, T. Let, let. W, A, V. Wave, wave. Nice job. Now let's go to E word list. 4 examples. Listen and repeat. Let's blend them one by one. E, F. If, if. E, V, N. Even, even. J, E, N. Gin, gin. Sorry. M, E, M. Meme, meme. Now let us continue with the I word list. For example, again, listen and repeat with me, kids. The first word, fire, fire, fire. L-I-N, line, line. B-I-K, bike, bike. T-I-M, time, time. Now we came to the next word family, and there's going to be O word list. Listen and repeat, kids. B, O, N. Bomb, bomb. O, hop, hop. H, O, hop, home. O, rop, rop. Now we're gonna come to the last vowel digraph, and it's going to be O, word list. Listen and repeat. K, O, B, cube, cube. H, O, J, huge, huge. R, O, L, roll, roll. T, O, B, tube, tube. Well done. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Until I meet you next time, see you. But if you want to develop more of about English language for kids, join my YouTube channel, and that is English for Africa with Nabahelo. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.